Hello! It's hair mask day. It's not looking too shabby considering we just did that hair gloss. Like, I still think it looks shiny, a little frizzy, a little in need of a little help, but I am super pumped to try this, you guys, because it is actually a dry hair mask. Well, you probably could tell from the title. But I just thought, what a cool concept. So, as I'm waving it around, I'm going to be reviewing the Igk Antisocial Time Release Bondbuilding Dry Mask. So they say you can kind of use this as during the day, just pop it on your hair, but it's meant to also be put on and actually go to bed. There's that time release in there. So over time, it should make my hair just feel better and better. I went and bought the smaller bottle because it does run a little pricey. This is a 1.7 ounce and it was $16. Reviews were mixed on Amazon on some of the products coming like empty, damaged, stuff like that. So I went through Ulta this time. Their 5 ounce is $36. And then on the IGK website and Ulta, I noticed that they also sell like bundle pack once you get to the 5 ounces. So like I said, a little pricey, so I opted for the small one. So I'm curious to see if this would be something worth having long term. I have health issues, so like hair wash days and stuff are a little extra difficult. So the thought of being able to just spray a mask in my hair and just do whatever and have it not only do bond repair, but it's actually supposed to repair, smooth, and soften hair and hydrate. So I'm like, all that from an aerosol can? I don't know. We'll see. So it'd be nice not to have to put on a thick mask and do all that. They also make it clear that it's supposed to do no residue, no buildup, and that they use silk proteins from plants like beets and sugarcane. So I just thought that was kind of interesting. They do say that because of that, it's perfect for extensions as well. And I did read throughout the reviews that people have used this on their extensions and that they do really like it. So to spray generously to dry hair in sections, brush through, reapply as desired. It's got quite the list of ingredients, so I'll just try and list them right there. They're really small on here. So yeah, I guess we'll just go ahead and apply it and see how it feels instantly. And then I will go ahead and come back in 8 hours or something or overnight and see where we're at with that. I'm hopeful. I'm going to be changing my hair color, you guys. I was giving my hair a break, hence doing the mask. But we're definitely changing it because even though it's the new year, I don't feel like it's actually a new year. I don't know. I'm still stuck in 2024. So I've just been trying to reorganize, refresh, reset everything. Bought a new notebook, that's going to help. It says spray generously, shake well, spray generously. Oh, and there's no need to rinse. How did I forget that? So it's a no rinse overnight dry hair treatment. So you don't have to rinse this out. Oh, the aerosol though. I get headaches pretty easily, so we'll see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to open the door. Ugh. So they claim that the scent is supposed to be rosemary, eucalyptus, coconut, and citrus. I don't know if I'm getting any of those hints, aerosol is gonna smell different, but I'm actually gonna open the door to apply this. The smell is a clean aerosol smell, but it's not overpowering. It's not like when I use their smoothing spray. Their smoothing spray it smells good like cookie dough, but it's really strong. It says to brush this through. I could kind of instantly feel, it instantly does feel soft and it's worth. It's almost like a dry shampoo hair mask. So I did notice in the Amazon reviews that some people really, really like the smell. Some people complained about it, saying wet dog. I'm not getting a wet dog smell at all. It's just kind of a subtle, clean scent. Someone said that it was okay at first, but then as the hours went by, it got so much softer. So yeah, I'm really curious to see how it goes over time. It's really not bad. It did kind of instantly kind of soften it, and it does feel better already. So here we are so far. I might just do One more all over spray. Yeah, I can already kind of tell something's happening. There was over 2,000 reviews and it was like 4.2 or 3 stars out of all those reviews. And there was some people where they said it just didn't do anything for their hair, but a vast majority said it was a game changer, like life-saving. Can't live without it now. Yeah, I'm curious which category I'm going to fall into, especially for the price point that we're at. So I want to see if it does better than my hair mask that I put in my hair and let sit forever. So at least it kind of gives you like this instant kind of shine and everything. So far, so good. Fingers crossed. Please be my new holy grail hair mask. This would be so much easier. Almost forgot to show you guys the back. All right, see you soon. Even though I sprayed like quite a bit and everything, I don't feel it on my hands. I really don't feel it. So I will say I get points for that. I'm not feeling any buildup or anything like that, but I have really thick hair, so that's crazy. I didn't want to like it, but I love it. This is not good. Apparently my hair really liked it. It's been like exactly 8 hours and I haven't added any hair oil to it or anything, which to be honest would probably like complete the look. But look at how shiny this is. I'll show you guys a clip of it in the sun. I hope you stick around for that because it's really shiny in the sun. And it is soft. I kid you not. Personally, I'm obsessed with this because I'm one of those people where like in between wash days, I'm like looking for a leave-in conditioner I might have like laying around here. Just kind of give me that quick hydration or whatever. But you know that I'm getting my hair wet or damp and I just haven't really found a good one for that. So I just think this is so awesome. I like how I can do this like during the day, not just overnight. And my hair will just get nicer throughout the day. Instant results as well. Look at it. I remember also reading that over like the span of like a few weeks or so, someone's hair just did a complete 180 from breakage and everything, continuing the use of that like bond repair. Just be warned though, I did look up like the plant proteins. It says they can build up on your hair if used excessively, just like, you know, the other kind of silk proteins or really any protein. But they are generally considered less likely to create a heavy buildup compared to silk proteins. I'm gonna try to be careful with like protein overload and I need to make sure to tell myself that. But just look at this. And it just feels nice. And yeah, I don't know. It's a complete win from me. Like I didn't really want to like it. So I'm going to continue kind of just using this until it runs out. Obviously, like I said, try not to overdo it. Let you guys also know if I'm going to like end up buying a bigger one when it runs out and stuff. But I'm just saying I'm obsessed. I hope you're obsessed. And let me know if you've ever tried this. I've tried a couple things in this brand so far. And this is probably my favorite. And that actual smell of like that cookie dough, that in itself is strong. Just one little spritz and you can smell it in the whole house. This, like the actual smell, that wasn't strong. It was more of a clean scent. Yeah, it's not bad to me at all, honestly. So it's more just the aerosol itself that might, you know, bother you. So I'd say do it outside. But like the lingering smell for me wasn't too overpowering like the other one was. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, so I think it is time, though, to change this hair color. So if this was your first time here, I hope that you subscribe. Keep hanging out so you don't miss that video or any other videos. My Instagram is also always linked in my description and in my bio if you guys want to check that out. Otherwise, I hope you're all hanging in there. Don't worry. Hair color therapy is right around the corner. So hope you're commenting how you're doing. Let me know what you think about this product. Sit in the sun. Much love, everybody.